Watch this video to know how to apply coupons automatically while you shop Macy's online. Learn to save tons of money every time you shop. When you shop using Chrome browser, you can automatically search and apply coupon codes using the Capital One shopping extension for Chrome. This extension is available to everyone for free and helps you save with online shopping. A simple and free way to help you save online. Go to the Chrome Web Store on your Chrome browser. URL for the Chrome Web Store is given in the video description below. Search for Capital One Shopping. Add this extension to the browser. Once added, you can find this in your Chrome browser's extensions. Now this Capital One shopping extension will apply all the available coupons automatically while shopping with Macy's online. To apply the coupons, go to Macy's website and add all your items to the shopping cart. After adding all your items to the shopping cart and going to checkout, this extension will prompt you to apply all the available coupons. Once all the eligible coupons are applied, you can see the savings and complete the purchase. Hope this video is helpful to you. Please subscribe to Clear Talking to get notified when new video tutorials are uploaded.